How not to rank in Google. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, helping serious entrepreneurs like you to boost sales to your products and services online using simple but super effective online marketing tips and tricks. If you are a serious entrepreneur, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification button as well, so you never miss a tip that could help you to boost your online earnings. And if you're new here, leave a comment in the comment section down below and join the community. So in this video, I'm sharing some SEO mistakes that you need to avoid to help you to rank your website better in search engines. So firstly, I want to speak about thin content websites. Now, I've spoken about this in the past, and I'll leave some videos in the description down below for you to go to as references after you watch this video. But essentially, you want to be creating a website that is a hub for your potential website visitors. Think about your website customers. What interests them? What entertains them? What is of value to them? Can you create a website that is actually valuable for them to come and visit, even if they don't end up making a purchase on your website the very first time they arrive there? If you create a valuable website that's not just about generating sales for you, then you're encouraging search engines to rank your content in the search engines, and you're building an authoritative website as well. And when you're doing this, then you're much more likely to rank for not just content keywords, but also buying keywords as well. I'm going to be speaking in future videos about the different types of keywords, buying keywords, and content type keywords as well. So if you want to know more about that, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss when those videos go live. Another mistake that I see a lot of people making is to focus too much on the search engines and forgetting their end user. Google is super focused on end user experience. They want your website visitors to have a quality experience when they visit your website. And if your website is easy for them to read, if it's really easy for them to navigate from one page to another page on your site, if your site loads quickly and people are actually benefiting from the content on your website, then it's likely that they're more likely to refer and recommend your website. But a lot of people just want to kind of use their keywords too many times on a page. If you're going to use your keywords, which you should be doing, you should be using them in a way that is easy for your website visitors to read, and don't put them in unnatural places. This kind of brings me on to the next mistake that people make, which is they think too short term with regards to their search engine optimization. SEO is definitely a marathon and not a sprint. You want to be thinking about a long-term strategy. How can you increase your domain authority of your website? Now, I've done domain authority videos in the past, and again, I'll leave links in the description down below to my domain authority videos and how you can increase the authority of your website. Essentially, the more authoritative your website is, the better it is likely to rank in Google, particularly for more competitive keywords. I'll also be doing further videos on domain authority, so again, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss those videos. Another mistake that I see a lot of website owners make is being way too focused on backlinks. So for those of you who don't know, a backlink is when another website links back to your website. So they leave a link on their website that leads to your website. That's known as a backlink from one website to your website. And what I see some people doing is trying to gain backlinks using some dodgy methods, because backlinks in the SEO world are really useful, and Google kind of see these backlinks as a way to increase your website's authority. So if one website is linking to your website, it's a way of Google saying, wait, this website must be of high value if this other website is linking to it. But you don't want to gain links in an unauthentic way. The way that I teach to gain backlinks to your website is two ways. Number one is to produce quality content on your website and on social media, and people will actually link to your content if it is good. And as you're building a reputation and a name for yourself on social media and through your content on your website, more and more people will link to you and share your content as well across social media platforms. Another way to gain authentic backlinks to your site is to do some research and see what other websites are out there that are in a similar niche to your website. reach out to them and suggest writing a guest article for them. And when you write a guest article for them, you can leave a link back to your website in the author bio section. I've done this a bunch of times, and I'll leave some links in the description down below to some of the articles that I have written for third-party websites. But as always, I will be putting out more videos on search engine optimization and also some softwares and tools that you can utilize to help you gain more traction from the search engines. So make sure you click that bell notification button if you have not already, so you get notified whenever a new video goes out. But I speak about SEO and a bunch of different traffic sources as well that you can make use of to help you drive traffic, leads, and sales back to your products and services online in my formula, which is behind me. I will also leave it somewhere on this screen and in the description down below as well. So make sure you grab a copy of the formula. It's absolutely free, and it's going to help you to boost leads, traffic, and sales to your website online. So make sure you grab your copy of that, absolutely free. But I really hope this video helped you out, and if it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, download the formula, and I'll see you soon.